In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the Zoho Books desktop app on your Windows computer. Whether you're new to Zoho Books or just need to set it up on a new device, I'll guide you through each step with ease and clarity. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to the Zoho Books website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the Zoho Books URL, or simply searching for Zoho Books in your search engine, which should get you there quite quickly. Once you're on the Zoho Books homepage, take a moment to locate the section dedicated to desktop applications. Often, this is found under the Downloads or Resources section of the site. It might appear as a link or a button specifically for app downloads, so keep an eye open for that, especially in menus or near the bottom of the page. Once you've found the appropriate section, look specifically for the Windows version of the desktop app. This is important, as downloading the correct version ensures compatibility with your system. After locating the download link, go ahead and click the button to begin downloading the installer file to your computer. This file will likely be saved in your computer's default download location, so remember where your browser typically saves downloads. With the installer now downloaded, the next step is to locate the file. If you're not already familiar, head over to your Downloads folder, which is a common default saving location. Alternatively, if you see the downloaded file at the bottom of your browser window, you can simply click there for quick access. Once you've found the installer file, double-click it to initiate the installation process. Doing this action will open up the installation wizard, which is designed to make this process as smooth and user-friendly as possible. You'll be greeted by on-screen prompts. These are instructions that guide you through the installation steps. Take your time to read and follow each prompt carefully. In most cases, you'll be asked to confirm your acceptance of the license agreement, select the installation location, and perhaps choose additional preferences, such as creating a desktop shortcut for easy access. The wizard may also allow you to customize various settings to your liking. Feel free to modify the options that match your specific needs, or simply go with the recommended settings for the quickest setup. Once you've finalized your preferences, proceed with the installation by clicking the corresponding button. The installer will take it from there, completing the setup within a few minutes. And there you have it. The Zoho Books desktop app should now be successfully installed on your Windows computer. You can now launch it either directly from the installer or from your desktop, depending on the choices you made earlier. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you're ready to dive into using Zoho Books with ease.